Welcome to Shielded VPN. This video is going to show you how to install the Windows application for Shielded VPN. First of all, we want to go to shieldedvpn.com. On the website, you will need to purchase a premium plan. Once you go ahead and scroll down on the main page, you go ahead and choose which one works for you. Go ahead and purchase it. Next, you will receive an email. The email will appear like this. This is not a real email, so the username and password is not correct. It's just to kind of give you an idea of how it works. Basically, you'll get a quick welcome, and you'll get the VPN details. This is what you're going to use to log in, your username and your password. Then you'll be advised on how to set it up, and if you have any problems, how to get live support, or if you'd like to look through our knowledge base, you could do that as well. So once you get this email, you want to make sure you save this, especially your VPN details. And then there's a link here to go to our full setup, so make sure you click on that. This is going to take you to the full setup, and then you go ahead and choose which device you're under. So for Windows, you would just go ahead and choose Windows. And here, this is going to go ahead and give you the download Windows application. Now, this video will also be featured on this page once it's complete, and there'll also be a template walking you through the steps if you rather just look at it instead of watch a video. So here, what we want to do is go ahead and choose Download Windows App. We're going to just select our desktop and then go ahead and save it. Once it's saved, you can go on your desktop, and I have it here. You can go ahead and double click on it. And here's the VPN connector setup. We'll go and extract it to the desktop. There we go. Once it's you will need WinZip for this to work. Most computers will have this already. Now that we have it, we just double click on Windows. There is our VPN connector setup. Just double click on that. Here we want to make sure we have create a desktop shortcut. So go ahead and choose next and then install. There we go. So now if you want to launch it right away, you can just keep that checked and go ahead and choose finish. Once you receive this Windows alert, you want to say allow. This allows you to go through and connect with the VPN. We are finished with this window. We can close it. So now what we want to do is put your username and password, the host name for dedicated IP, ignore that. Once you have that information in, go ahead and choose login. Here you'll be able to choose where you want to connect. We're going to go ahead and choose United States. Once you click on that, it's going to automatically work on connecting, and it's going to be connected. Down here it says you are connected. Then go wherever you want. We can go to Google, and we go to Shielded VPN, and we are connected on the VPN securely and anonymously. We look here, it'll say disconnect because you can disconnect it. If for any reason you have any error messages, it might pop up and say reconnect. If that happens, there might be a problem with the one you're connecting to. All you do is hit reconnect, and the client automatically knows to choose a different type of way to connect, and then it'll connect that way. So it's really smart in that sense. You can also choose cities if you want to select a specific city you want to choose. You can also search them up here. And then there's streaming if you're looking to stream in a certain area. So for example, if you want to get United States, and then you go here and you want their ABC or their Amazon Prime, and you want it in English from the United States, that's how you check that. And it'll automatically bring that up for you. Now that you have this selected, all you would do is go ahead and log in your Amazon Prime, and you should be all set. You can do that with any of these here. So just an extra bonus feature. You can also change if you want something specific. You could choose disconnect and click on these here. You can edit your user profile. You can put your protocol. So if you want it to automatically use like IKEV, for example, you can choose that. If you do automatic, it's going to bounce between different ones depending on what one works well for it. You also have kill switch, which means if you need to disconnect really quick, go ahead and do that. If there would be an update, you can go ahead and update it here. And then here are some options. If you want to automatically launch on Windows Startup, you could do that. Start minimized, connect automatically. All these options are available. That's how you go ahead and connect to the Windows feature. If you have any questions, leave them down below. You can connect your Android device and your iPhone, iPad as well. You can use up to 5 connections simultaneously with just one purchased premium service. So thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. And thank you for choosing Shielded VPN.